Hello, Loisa. We in Hawaii, Foodland. These two kids wanna come here. Let's go inside and take a look what they got in here. We hungry. We just wanna come here and eat. Don't forget to tip him, huh? Yeah. Wow! Look at all this beautiful flower.
Telephone call 910.
Look at all this. Goody goody. Yummy yummy. Whoa, look at this. So, what do you like, sir? I wonder, can we sit here and eat here or we have to eat somewhere else? Oh, this is donuts. Those tote bags. Look at the cake, the yummy cake. Oh! Look at this. Chicharron and everything. Let's see, what do they want? They have poke. Poke over there. We get there. Oh, look at this. They already cut for you for $4.79 each. $4. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces for $4. Ooh, look at that. Mango. A pound, $1.29 a pound. But that look good though. This look like it's ready to eat. Mango, $5.99 a pound. Banana. Lots of flower again. The kid just gone. I don't know where the kid go. But let's see if they have what I'm looking for. My fruit, my favorite fruit. Oh, they're eating the raw stuff. This kid. I can have that. I want some papaya. Look at this plantation banana. Papaya. Local grow in Hawaii. They're expensive. They're not cheap. $3.99 for a pound. Now this one. You want this, right? Oh, busy talking. Meow, meow, meow.
There's one more box. There's 2 more bags. So do you want me to put both of them out or?
We can throw up one more bag.
Oh, Hawaii. Let's see. This is the stuff that they want, poke. You guys will order your poke?
Try samples later.
You guys can eat this stuff. Make sure your stomach don't get hurt, okay? Yo. Look at the price. This place ain't cheap at all. Why? That's 77? Wow. Now the size of my head is reasonable. Play like this make me miss my home. Pretty much same stuff like how you go at home. Everything is normal, same stuff. Yep. I'm gonna go look for chicken, something cooked. Oh, I want some yogurt though. Okay, I'll buy my yogurt leaf. 5 for $5, so that means $1 each. Oh, how's Hawaii egg cost? Yo. Let me get back to the food section, okay? Look at it. Look at some of the stuff that the children can eat. I'm already have my stomach ache. My stomach is not that strong. I definitely cannot. Holy God! I definitely cannot do anything raw. It's not in my system. Wow! Look at this. Let me take you guys back to from our kitchens, and then I'm gonna grab some food right from there. Long như sao mình mua tỏi à, em nói Hawaii nhé, grocery tờ lạc này phải chơi ở mãi nó cái này em trả này ô. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some stuff from here or over there, and then I'm gonna call it. Okay, let me see what they have in here. Oh, they have a lot of vegetable. I like vegetable. What we're gonna eat at? Okay, where we're gonna go eat at? Let's get the packet of the chicken. Let's see what the. Oh, we can try that too right there. Yeah. Oh, the one had a hot dog. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let's get the $17 chicken wings. Yeah. Wow. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty. Well, my camera not that good, so it doesn't look as good as the real picture. It's so beautiful. Okay, we're gonna order. We're gonna get some chicken. The chicken is how many pieces for $17.99?
I just go by pound.
Hot fresh.
2, please.
Okay, we're gonna order now. Thank you. Bye bye.